How quickly can California farmland turn into a winding drive through beautiful coastal hills?
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out.
We are traveling north on US 101, leaving the Nipomo area and heading toward Arroyo Grande.
Don't even care if we stay home, put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink,
Golden grass covers the rolling slopes while cultivated fields form neat green patterns across the hillsides.
is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up.
The highway follows gentle curves between low ridges, with layers of bright clouds stretching across the blue sky.
And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be
Roadwork signs appear along the shoulder, but traffic continues smoothly through this quiet section of US 101.
We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you.
Trees gather in the sheltered valleys, contrasting beautifully with the sunlit grass and exposed rocky slopes.
We don't ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated.
As the road rises and falls, every curve reveals another peaceful view of California's Central Coast countryside.
Wherever we make it. Oh, nice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Green cultivated rows climb the hillside, adding fresh color to the warm gold and brown tones of the landscape.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, baby.
The valley begins to open ahead, and signs of Arroyo Grande gradually appear beyond the rolling hills.
79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need
The sign announces Traffic Way, exit 186, 1 mile ahead, with a connection to Business Route 101.
Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy.
Traffic Way is a gateway into Arroyo Grande, while the main highway continues north toward the Central Coast.
Everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half.
Tall trees, golden banks, and a brilliant sky give the approach to Arroyo Grande a warm and welcoming atmosphere.
Paradise is wherever we make it.
See you on the next road.
Oh, you.
Goodbye.